he look at me and tell me, I know stealing ain't right, but if I gotta go to jail to stay clean, then it's just something I'm willing to do, man.
Listen me, anybody who want ads or promotion to do, you have to pay me. Freeness done, on the free quota done with.
I can't bear you, me work, you know. Me work, but me tell you, you see me need to have working clothes right now. I look at me, I look to help and people that tell me about how much. If I do this, if I do that, I'm going to sell my body. But
you do wellness checks, you make sure everyone else is good. But when you're depressed, when you're broke, when you're going through hell, when you're going through anxiety, you don't know who you can call.
It's serious. How Japa sleep, tell them to wake up.
A bad girl deep queen, I'm going to tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44. Music news loud. I'm going to tell you about it.
The Agriculture Ministry issued a release warning people to be careful. The container washed ashore on Thursday in Helshaw, and they are making it clear to the public it was not intended for Jamaica. The container reportedly fell from a vessel while in transit to the Cayman Islands, and the product was labeled under the Brazilian brand Perdix. And the ministry is warning people not to eat it, don't sell it, distribute it, don't feed it to your animals, people. Do not do that, because they're concerned about the condition in which this chicken was stored. They're saying that it was not maintained under ideal cold chain conditions, and it's raising serious health concerns. So the chicken could be contaminated, people. So be careful, do not eat it. And if you see anyone selling or distributing the chicken, remember the brand Perdix, please report it to the relevant authorities. Okay?
It's serious. How Japa sleep, tell them to wake up.
No, my loyal viewers and subscribers, sometimes we all go through some situation beyond our control. Sometimes we have faced some problem, we don't know who to talk to, we don't know who to run to. However, this girl come out and asking, she's asking anyone in particular if them can assist her to get a work. People know somebody are gonna take this and run with it and try bring down this girl in her manner, and I go tell the girl say she forgot to sell her front.
But you see, if all who have things to say, you know bitter and you smell bad, yo, cause you don't want people to literally feel like, oh, you don't feel, yo. And I now go sit down and feel, so cause I know so I don't feel good. I know I don't feel good. And I can't bear you, me work, you know. Me work. But me tell you, you see me need to have working clothes right now. I look at me, I look to help and people that tell me about how much. Me if I do this and if I do that and if I go sell my body. But if I sell my body, me I go become a prostitute. If I go thief, I go hear this and that. I want me work. Me have a nursing certificate. Me work. I just want look for help. To get a job, look for help, to get myself back on track. Me now look the world, guys. That's all me ask, and people bring me down for what reason I don't even know. But I left it to God, because let me tell you this: 1,000 may fall at thy side, but 10,000 at thy right hand, and it shall not come near me. So no matter what I do, God have my back, and no matter what the enemy send and what I say, Father God know. Father God know, Father God system, I need the help. I mean, I understand why people around me bring me down, and why people from the media bring me down for what reason. So I not to talk, I not to come out and ask for help. I not to ask. I not to ask for no help, alright. So I just shut up and stuff, and then when you hear say, oh, I commit suicide, or you hear say, oh, me dead or something, I go mad or I go insane. Nobody cares. Everybody I live them life. My daughter lose her mother. Me. I don't understand. I just don't understand, guys. Please, me ask. You see, if you don't have no good for say, just scroll past my page, please.
No, my loyal viewers and subscribers, I've also come across a video with a security guard said he have to give an helping hand to someone who was in need have a toothbrush, bathing soap or whatever to get themselves clean up.
In the mail, detaining them, taking them back in the store. We make it back to the loss prevention office. Whole time he been quiet. So when we get in there, I take him out the cuffs, sit him down. I ask him, man, did you steal anything? He said, I ain't gonna even lie to you, big dog. He said, I just took me some stuff for me to be able to take a bath. So at that time, I'm taking his stuff out the bag. I'm taking his stuff out his pockets and everything that he done took. The guy ain't taking nothing but some soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, and a towel. He look at me and tell me, I know stealing ain't right, but if I gotta go to jail to stay clean, then it's just something I'm willing to do, man. At that point, man, the human in me kicked in. Like, you don't know what people go through. True enough, everybody got their own situations for how they got in, what they got in, but I'm not gonna arrest nobody for trying to take a bath. He ain't coming in here just stealing and just to be stealing. You know what I'm saying? Man, I paid for his stuff and worked out with some with Walmart, man, for we can let him go. Man, it was deep.
No, my loyal viewers and subscribers, I've come across this dancehall artist known as Snappa Chef. I think he have a unique voice, and I think that this man is a part of greatness.
That's the money at the root of all evil.
Do something when me never yet do from the start the vlogging. Me tell Betty Luv say, here, this artist have a unique voice, and I want to do a little interview with him. And I want to talk to him to hear the part of growth. I want to know all about this artist because me hear a sound when me know say by the end of 2025, the whole of Jamaica go talk about Snappa Chef.
Greetings, fire.
Yeah, man. Yes, my family. Where I going? I'm kind of in my kitchen and do some things. But go on, do your things.
Song that you have voice and recorded for Betty Luv. How did that song transpire? How did you come about recording that song? How did you even come about getting the rhythm to voice on the song or whatsoever? So me want to know all of those information.
Oh, those are what you want to know.
Yeah.
And the bottom line is Betty Luv is one of those social media person out here who do fair job inside of the state, inside of New York City. And I push artists and I push free our own brand. So we are gonna be a part of anybody who has the greatness and promote positivity.
Okay.
So when we do this song, we did our song when Betty Luv, like when Betty Luv put out the rhythm, our song never come out same time with the rhythm, but the more she plays that song, the more people want her to drop it. So she put her run a whole program on this song, you know.
This song, yeah. So what you basically said, the rhythm did put out without you being on it?
In somewhat because we catch it last, it's not like you say, we know about the rhythm afterward when the project almost finished. The similar thing is, and like I said, we did there and it did left. We just had we hear the rhythm afterward and love our ear, and she just not could be a part of the thing. You understand?
Okay.
It's almost like a second wave, you know? But not even that. And then the song itself, money over life. If you notice, people out here killing themselves for the almighty dollar. And really and truly is almost like it's a lie them alive to the people.
Yeah.
And the people really are kind of running into a wall. You know, I mean, I just a full parent, I don't know about your parent, but I know about my parents, and them work hard. And in at the end, they don't have nothing to show more than sometimes just weak knees and broken backs and these things. So we not telling the youth them as people not to work, but we are saying, let's make sure that when you work, you take some of the time, or your great time, the time, your best time to yourself. Bottom line is what the song is really about. It's just reminding you that you have to put some of that time into you. Build your business and build your family and make your kids then become great with your strength where you have.
Yeah.
Don't give your strength to the man or the woman who employer for the few little dollars that them a trick you with. It's really a trick. It's not even a lie. It's a trick them a try to trick you. And even the ones who are trying to trick you sometimes.
I love the aspect of the song, family. But
Yes.
I'm saying you also have a name that is very unique. How did you come about getting your stage name?
The stage name, well, we are chef now. We are chef, even speaking to you right now, in the kitchen of food. But we are chef, so we Snappa Chef. Snappa now is an acronym for SNAPPA, that's how we spell it, so natural and pushing.
Okay.
Positivity. Always. And just because we are chef, then it just comes Snappa Chef. Yeah, as I'm saying, I know people going to equate that to if we can see fish and everything that we're in the kitchen, vice versa, but we take it not from that. It's more the Snappa. Because I know it show them also. It's Snappa with the chef. It's we cooking music, just cooking up great things in life.
Once come across a song that called Dumping Plane.
Mm-hmm.
Are you the one that sing Dumping Plane? Because the person that sing that song, you know, I love the voice, I hear that voice, that sound from you same way, and this particular song from Betty Luv.
Yes, sir. The Dumping Plane and me same one. And that is real. And that's and that's what we do. And that is what we do with the music. All the music comes to us. It's all we deliver it to the people. We are not in a box. We sing music, we sing songs, and a big part of music is to keep people happy and to entertain people. So, and I will feel like even that is the first, and the message is always here, so they go hand in hand.
Bro,
entertain people. So
what me want to say to you is, your voice is so unique. You are ready. You're on your journey. Going to some international places. You can check your music. You're very versatile. At this moment, you can sound like that, a different person, the way you do your thing.
Yeah. You appreciate those. You appreciate when a person is versatile.
Yeah, man. You're very versatile, man, bro. Very versatile.
I appreciate that.
Like I said, this 2025, people have to look out for you because you're on your part of greatness, brother, right now. Because the journey where you're on. And any producer out there who hear you, I go want to run into you and want to work with you, brother.
Yeah, man.
All this song need to do, you know, is just get a good promotion around it, you know. And you're gone, you know, brother. Yes. Because your unique sound alone I speak for you, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Grateful.
Yeah, man.
Love the energy, love that. Because you see, when we're out here the music, you know, that especially people like you who are the vloggers and the people who are out there, and I don't know what else you do in the music.
Yeah.
But the people who are push the music, so when them tell us these things, because what is like we push it to get the validation from you as the ones them who are the pro who know these things, yeah?
Yeah.
So we do it and just leave it to the pros to tell us. So we are grateful when you say that, you know?
Mm-hmm. I love the vibes, man. I love the energy, man. So, may I read again next time?
Yes, man. But I just have to big you up and just tell us I'm grateful and just thanks for reaching out and I'm getting this to the platform, and let me just wish you now with your platform, just greatness all the way on your platform, just become one of the greatest platforms that the world has a record. See me, brother?
Yeah, man. You're my family, man. Respect that, man. Every time, man.
Yeah, man. But now this is Snappa Chef. DJ Slick, part of our music. Right now, give it the right groove. Trust me. Stay tuned to DJ Slick. DJ Slick. Just remember, don't put the money over your life. Why live your one life? DJ Slick. Split them.
Now push the money over my life. And if you know say me no wrong, say you damn right.
No, listen to me. Anybody who want ads or promotion to do, you have to pay me. Freeness done. On a free quota done way. Someone only know. You not keep on the stage show. I have 100 artists on the stage show. She isn't up on the stage show, but a shades in our link because she made the ads. You not link me for do advertisement for the stage show. I'm going to say to them, so come here up on the stage show. Boy, you know, say, me that link you. Like God know. So come the miss call on my phone. Or come the message on my phone. And me, you not call. Or somebody else Una call glasses, kind of shades. Una call almost glasses. So hear me and say, una the 100 artists do the advertisement for the stage show and the promotion. Leave me out tight. Una have someone wanna know. Una keep party. Una invite me at the party. Then una want for the promotion for free. Then when I come at the party for una want for support on the bar. Want to me. Leah must eat food. Leah no want close to. Oh, I said go. Papi show thing out of season. Alright, una have someone wanna know again. I do an advertisement for free. After I do the advertisement free, I say, yeah, what, anybody want any ads for do or anything like this, just make them know some of the pay feet and ray. Not tell them that. On a friend or the next friend see the advertisement and then on make them link and tell them say, boy, I can't get an advertisement here and you tell them say yeah. And then when come to me if you come do it for free. Like God no. And I say, oh, Papi show thing done with you know. So yeah what, I angle it like drugs. You know, I'm gonna say, no! You don't get nothing at all. If you not for me, I not for you. If you not the money for me, I not ask for go.
Serious. How Jabba sleep tell them for wake up.
I'm Dancehall and I'm representing DJ State 44 Music News.
A bad girl the queen, I'm going to tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44 Music News Loud. I'm going to tell you about it.